Here we go. CNC group break number 1762. We're going to start with the 11-12 Series 2 and 12-13 Series 1. So good luck, everybody. And the Jumbo is for the New York Islanders, John Tavares. All right. All right, we start with the Young Guns for the Detroit Red Wings, Brendan Smith. And a Hockey Heroes for the Toronto Maple Leafs, Red Kelly. Young Guns for the Detroit Red Wings, Gustav Nyquist. That kind of box. This was that? Had a bagel. Canvas for the New York Islanders, P.A. Parento. Young Guns for the New York Islanders, Anders Nielsen. Victory Rookie for the Edmonton Oilers, Leonard Petrell. Base. MVP Rookie for the New Jersey Devils, Adam Larson. Base. Young Guns for the Philadelphia Flyers, Kevin Marshall. We've got a canvas for the Ottawa Senators, Robin Leonard. And a victory rookie for the Chicago Blackhawks, Brandon Saad. OPG rookie for the Buffalo Sabres, Zach Kassian. And base. All right, on to the 12-13 Series Fun. All right, Hockey Heroes for the Boston Bruins, Bobby Orr. Silver Skates for the Tampa Bay Lightning, Steven Stamkos. Young Guns for the Montreal Canadiens, Robert Meyer. Base. Upper Deck Exclusives, number to 100 for the Buffalo Sabres, Jason Pominville. Canvas for the Tampa Bay Lightning, Steven Stamkos. Hockey Heroes for the Buffalo Sabres, Gilbert Perreault. Silver Skates for the Boston Bruins, Tyler Seguin. Young Guns for the Anaheim Ducks, Matt Clark. Base. Base. Canvas for the Dallas Stars, Kari Lettinen. Young Guns for the Colorado Avalanche, Mike Connolly. Upper Deck Game Jersey for the Philadelphia Flyers, Ilya Bryzgalov. Nice. We've got a Silver Skates Gold for the Boston Bruins, Milan Lucic. Milan Lucic. Base. Young Guns for the LA Kings, Jordan Nolan. Canvas for the Nashville Predators, Pekka Rinne. Young Guns for the St. Louis Blues, Jake Allen. Upper Deck Game Jersey for the LA Kings, Mike Richards. Base. And we've got the Young Guns checklist, which will be random between the Rangers, Flames, and Blues. Chris Kreider, Sven Baertschi, and Jaden Schwartz. And we got a canvas for the Boston Bruins, Patrice Bergeron. All right, go to next, 12-13 Classics and 0708 Sweet Shot.